When I grow up, I'm gonna have a barbecue and a grill in the backyard. Like my daddy. If you've been following my channel, you know I've been lost in the Korean street food videos. Some of those videos have a very large stainless steel spatula. So I've been on the hunt, looking for spatulas. So there's a spatula in one of the videos that's stainless steel all the way back, and it has kind of a red underneath. I don't know if it's silicone or rubber. Show the picture! So I started Google searching images, and I came across this baby. It's far too big for my kitchen. When I grow up, I'm gonna have a barbecue and a grill in the backyard. GEFU Kuchenboss. The company is located in Germany. This is a German spatula. I'm not sure if this is heat resistant rubber, but it goes through, locks in this way. Feels really nice in the hand. It's very smooth, and it's got the tapered edge. And when you're looking for a large spatula, you want a flat edge, so that if you have a flat top, you can scrape if you need to. It's 3.5 inches by about 4.5 inches. It's far too big for my kitchen. When I grow up, I'm gonna have a barbecue and a grill in the backyard. I got this off Walmart, model number 89381. It's sold through Gourmet Kitchen Works. You can actually go to their website as well. I bought it off of Walmart. I just wanted to share this with you. It's a really nice spatula. And one day when I'm older, I'm gonna get an outside barbecue and grill. Let's play with it.